Racing, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of maximum speed. Moving a party outside is Kentucky Ranges, Brule, King Wash, Dirt began. Noah is down on the inside, while Nevada Scout is the early trailer. And going along for the person with a quick is riding maximum speed on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Noah now to take second. Kentucky Rain is racing in third. Nevada Scout comes next, then followed now by Gis Brule. While King Wash Dirt begun, now racing in less half-mile distance, they traveled with maximum speed by over length and a half. Noah in second, then moving up now on the outside is Kentucky Rain. Next in line is Nevada Scout, then followed by Gis Brule. Moving up on the outside now is King Wash Dirt begun, and on the fourth turn with maximum speed by about half length. Kentucky Rain now about to throw the challenge at the outside, and Noah comes next, then followed by Nevada Scout. Then next in line is King Wash Dirt begun and Gis Brule as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Kentucky Rain by about 2 lengths, and in second is maximum speed. Last 75 meters, the program opener belongs to Kentucky Rain. Second, maximum speed. Noah, Nevada Scout.
Our unofficial winner sa ating unang karera, only the second choice, Kentucky Rain with rider P.O. Refe. Mas segundo dos, maximum speed. Then tres, Noah. Para sa ating quartet, 4, Nevada Scout. 5, 2, 3, 4. Unofficial placing, panoorin po natin ang